Instagram models, eating up the cake, watch it go right to your bottom.
That's a drop of rhyme, that's the sense of hearing. Let's start first with the frequency theory. This is a theory that tones produce vibration in a result in pitch that is coded by frequency, which is the amount of time sound waves pass a point in an amount of time. Pitch, it's how high or low a sound is. These are some important things for hearing.
This is the process of hearing. This is the way that we hear sounds. First they go to the eardrum, cause it to vibrate. Sound waves are concentrated from the drum to inner ear. This is the process of hearing. This is the way that we hear sounds. The nerve vibrates and sends motions to the cochlea, then to the hair cells, stimulations and impulses. This is the process of hearing. This is the way that we hear sounds. Impulses go to the brain along the auditory nerves, allowing us to hear sounds.
Set. This is the place theory about the way that we perceive and receive the sounds all around. Sounds are different parts of the ear. Next, there's a volley theory that group neurons of the auditory system that sends responses by frequencies are sent to the brain, sent to the brain. Absolute threshold is the max and min frequency is heard by all humans. Difference theory means when the sound changes.
This is the process of hearing. This is the way that we hear sounds. First they go to the eardrum, cause it to vibrate. Sound waves are concentrated from the drum to inner ear. This is the process of hearing. This is the way that we hear sounds. The nerve vibrates and sends motions to the cochlea, then to the hair cells, stimulations and impulses. This is the process of hearing. This is the way that we hear sounds. Impulses go to the brain along the auditory nerves, allowing us to hear sounds.
First things first, here's some facts about some hearing problems that happen. Conduction hearing loss. When a sound isn't conducted efficiently to the inner ear and causes inability to hear faint sounds.
Sensory neural hearing loss is damage to inner ear and brain, which reduces faint sounds. Cochlear implants, electric stimulation, auditory nerve, headphones, convertibles, drugs, and smoking cause hearing loss.
This is the process of hearing. This is the way that we hear sounds. First they go to the eardrum, cause it to vibrate. Sound waves are concentrated from the drum to inner ear. This is the process of hearing. This is the way that we hear sounds. The nerve vibrates and sends motions to the cochlea, then to the hair cells, stimulations and impulses. This is the process of hearing. This is the way that we hear sounds. Impulses go to the brain along the auditory nerves, allowing us to hear sounds.